Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money on YouTube without 1,000 subs. Alright, so if you're super excited to learn exactly how to do that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So let's jump right into the content for today. So guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be breaking down a strategy that I've done in the past, but I haven't done it the way that I'm going to explain to you and break down here in this video, because I feel like this way is going to help it just help me completely dominate it. And if you get value from this video at any time, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and let's get this thing rocking. All right, so first things first, I'm going to draw a box. You guys know I'm all about my boxes. All right, so here we go. The first box is going to be a P, okay? The second box, I'm going to go ahead and put it in here, a CC. Okay, this all makes sense. I know it's just, you just see a whole bunch of letters, but this will all make sense at the end of this video. All right, so P, CC, and what is it? V. Okay, there we go. And then now here at the bottom, so what's at the top is going to be part one of the strategy, and then what's at the bottom will be part two. Okay, go ahead and put the last two boxes down here. All right, so this box right here is going to be the RT box. All right, and then right here, this will be the S box. All right, so let's break this strategy down, because I know you're probably like, okay, what do all these letters mean? All right, so first things first. To make this work with you not having, you not having 1,000 subs, which means that you're not able to use AdSense. And if I'm being completely honest, if you really want to maximize your income, it's not really going to be through AdSense, okay? It's going to be through affiliate marketing, right? This is what I talk about all the time on this channel. But the way that I'm going to break this down right here is different than how I've done it in the past, okay? So here it is. First things first, you need a product. That's what I always talk about, and I always talk about, picking a niche and then choosing a product within that niche. Now, that's the first thing, getting that product, and that can come from sites like, clickbank.com, right? And there's many other ones out there, such as Warrior Plus, JVZoo, what is that? You got Max Bounty if you're into like CPA offers and different things like that, right? But let's just, you got what it is that you're going to sell. All right, so boom, you got your product. Now we're going to move over here into creating content around the product. Now, here's where the difference is going to be. And I'm going to do this, right, because I was doing it a specific way before, but, just talking through mentors, they suggested to do it this way, right? So I'm all about testing, right? If a leader leads by example, so if I can do this strategy and show it to you and it works for you and it starts to work for me to increase my conversions, then that's going to be beneficial. That's going to be beneficial to both of us. All right. So create the content. And when you create that content, you create the content around the niche, which is the exact same thing. But here's the thing that you don't do in your video this time around. You don't sell in your video, okay? You don't sell. Let me say that again. You don't sell. Meaning, instead of sending someone off YouTube, which YouTube doesn't even like in the first place, and what they do to basically punish you is when you say something like, okay, so I'm sure you guys have probably heard me say it here on this channel before. If you're interested, just go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Well, what happens is, let's say for instance, a whole bunch of people are clicking away and they're going off YouTube. YouTube doesn't like that. So instead of letting your video take off like it would have done, instead they kind of drop your growth, the amount of views that you're going to get, right? Because all those people are leaving the platform. YouTube wants them to stay on the platform. So this is what was suggested to me, and I'm showing you guys because, like I said, leaders, I lead by example. That's what real leaders do. So boom, Instead of recommending, you send them to another video. So I'll just put a V right here. You send them to another one of your videos. So now YouTube is going to see, instead of you sending somebody away, YouTube is going to see you sending them to a YouTube video, which that means that they're going to make more money because you're keeping them on the platform. So then your video takes off, right? All right, so boom, that's the only different phase of what I'm usually teaching. All right, so now creating content around a specific niche, you're going to start to drive views over here. Okay, so that's what this box right here is. Once you start to generate views, here is what YouTube does. Most people don't know this, especially if they're not, advertising. They don't have any knowledge on like Google ads or anything like that. YouTube automatically tracks and keeps an audience for you. All you have to do is just go into Google Ads and go into your audience manager, and then just let me actually just show you so this will make sense. So this is Google Ads right here. This is how you run ads on YouTube. So when you see people running these ads and they come up before a video, this is how they're doing it. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So you see this, I went to tools, and you see the audience manager right there, right? So when you go into my audience manager, you're going to notice I have a ton of audiences in there that I've created. Now, some of you guys have seen my ads in the past. I'm sure you guys have. If you have, just let me know in the comments. It's been a while since I've ran some YouTube ads, but I'm going to start implementing this strategy. All right, so let's check out all my audiences. So anybody that's watched my video, you can see that audience is around 39,000. Let's see, viewed any video. I did another audience based on that, so that's 22,000 for YouTube. And how they do it is, you see it has search, YouTube, display, Gmail, and so on and so on. So it gives you a different amount of people for those specific audiences, right? You got visited channel page, that's 1,700 people on YouTube. Like any of my videos, that's 1,100 people. Subscribers, right? So YouTube created this list for me. All I had to do is go in and create it. So let me show you how to create that. All right, so you see that plus? All right, so you can do website visitors, people who visited your website or your landing pages, people who visited your apps, people who are YouTube users, so these like your subscribers, people who liked your videos. Let me just show you what it says. All right, so viewed any video from your channel, viewed certain videos, viewed any video as an ad from your channel, subscribe to your channel so I can target my subscribers, visited a channel page, liked any video, commented on any video, shared any of my videos, added any of my videos to a channel playlist, right? So you can see how like, we can really keen in on these people. So as you can see, I have so many audiences created, and what you can basically do, if we go back to the strategy, which is RT, meaning you're going to, based on the content you created, and let me go over here to YouTube because I want this to really make sense. All right, so I'm going to pull it up in incognito browser, and I'm going to pull up one of my videos, right? And just so I can give this example, and so you really understand what I'm saying. All right, so I'm going to look up I want to type in a specific keyword, how to use Quora. Okay, boom, how to use Quora for affiliate marketing. Okay, boom. So for that particular keyword, you can see that I'm ranking number 2, and that video has 1,000 views on it. Okay, so what could I do with the audience of 1,000 people that watched that video? I could literally create a course around Quora, or go to a specific affiliate network that's promoting that allows you to promote a Quora product, because the people who are watching this Quora video, they were searching for how to use Quora to grow their business, right? So I know that they have an interest in Quora because they watched this video, because it clearly says in the thumbnail, you can see before a person watches the video, they know it's about Quora. So they have an interest. Let me give you another example. Let's try, okay, because this is actually something that I do, is intermittent fasting, right? So let's just look at some different videos that's based around it. All right, so 5 intermittent fasting tricks to burn fat faster. So people obviously they watch that video, 2.5 million people. He creates a retargeting audience of those people that watch that video, and then he turns around, runs a retargeting ad that's talking about, that's selling a product based around burning fat, or something related to intermittent fasting. Now let's just say 1% of that 2.5 million converts into sales. Guys, this is why, you know, marketing is really all about numbers. Like when you start to know your numbers, and the conversions are going to be extremely important. All right, they're going to be extremely important. But this is how you dominate, guys. That's 2 examples so far. Let's check out another one. Let's look into let's see, green juices. Let's try that. Let's try that niche. All right, boom, right? Let's see, best green juice for healing and weight loss. So the people that watch this, that's 425,000 people watch that. So that person can literally create an audience the same way I just showed you guys, and, you know, sell some type of product to those people, right? And they don't have to. Now let's go back to the strategy over here. All right, so remember what I said. You don't want to sell in this video. Just provide value and then send them to another video of yours. That way you're not taking them off YouTube. Get the views because you created content based around keywords, right? Remember, keyword research is powerful. You don't want to create videos that no one is going to watch. Always do videos. Let's go back over to YouTube. Let's just go back over to YouTube. Never create videos that people are not searching. So let me give you an example. How to not make money. Let's just try and keep going. How to not make money with, okay, just a sec. How to not make money with fish. Okay, so as we can see, no one is searching for that keyword. So why someone would make a video about that, I have no idea, right? Because I watch what people do. They put together videos, and the videos are not getting searched by people, and then they sit there and they wonder why their channel isn't growing, because they're doing things that no one cares about. Well, now let's switch it around. Green juices. Okay, so far we can see green juices keto people are searching for. Green juices for weight loss. Green juices for glowing skin. Green juices that taste good, right? These are actual things. Oh, I guess I can't spell green right now. Oh my goodness. All right, so there we go. Green juices. This right here, green juices for weight loss, gets 1,600 searches per month, right? Green juices for glowing skin, 170 searches per month. So as you can see, these are actually things that a person would need to make content around, right, to generate the views. Then based on those specific videos, retarget those people selling a product. Don't sell in the video, right? Don't sell in the video. Just keep sending them to more and more videos, and your channel is going to grow because of that, because you're just doing exactly what YouTube wants you to do, right? So if we go back over here to the strategy, all right, and then boom. It's pretty much simple as that, guys. You get something to sell, you create content, but don't sell in the video. Just send them to another a piece of content of yours to keep the algorithm loving you. Then boom, you're gonna start to generate views. You then use those views to retarget, use the views, and then retarget the people who watch the videos, and then boom, right there with the money, right? If I could draw a dollar sign with this, I would, right? Boom, boom, boom. That's where the money is, right? And it just made perfect sense to me when it was broken down, because the way I was trying to do it before was, in my videos, I wouldn't necessarily say that I was selling, but what I would do is I would just say, hey, if you're interested, go ahead and click the link in the description. And when I do that and people click away, then my videos don't take off how I wanted them to really take off. Now, get this, all videos are not going to take off. They're not, right? You may do 10 and about 3 to 4 of those may take off, or maybe even 2. So this strategy is powerful, guys, and that's what I'm going to start to be implementing. Just kind of had to get a little tweak. That's why it's important to have a mentor that just kind of knows these things. They do these things on a consistent basis. So I'm super excited about this strategy. And if you're gonna implement this strategy, guys, and you just get it, just give me a like, give me a thumbs up, letting me know that you got some value from this thing, or just let me know in the comments, hey, I'm gonna use this strategy. This strategy is pretty cool, Rakeem. Just let me know and let me know. I just want to hear a little bit of your feedback. But with that being said, if you did get some value from this, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.